Welcome back there once again. Inside this class we are going to discuss about border radius. So you can just save as this file inside the same folder by giving the name border-radius.html. so you can just save. I'm just going to remove all this from here or just till here. You can select and remove just like this. So let's just we need for this div here, and you can just say css border radius. So once again I'm going to just select this div here, then these two curly braces. You can say just let's just give a simple border 1 pixel solid red border. You can save and preview this page once again in the browser, so you can see hi and welcome. This is just a very basic. So you can border radius, you can just apply here. You can say border dash radius, and here you can say just 12 pixel of border radius. Save and refresh. Now you can see you can just focus on the corners of this just box. So let's just use this div in another way. I'm just saying the width of this div should be something like 400 pixel, and the height of this should be something like 400 pixel, and the background for this div should be something like orange color, and you can say something like for right now this is enough. Save and I refresh. Now you can see I'm just going to zoom this out, and I want this div in center of the web page, so you can just use here margin. We'll just discuss about the margin and padding in just coming classes. You can say just 0 and auto the value. Save and refresh. So now I have used here just 12 pixel of border radius. So let's just remove this text because we don't need for this, and a refresh. So I have just used here border radius 12 pixel. You can increase 120 pixel if you want a large amount of border radius. So border radius will round the corner of your box. Just simply you can see it's just round it. If you want a full circle box or rounded box, you can just give this to 100%. You can save and see the preview. Now this just total round box because we have just used here 100% of border radius. So let's just use border radius in different ways. So I'm just going to remove this till here. Once again, border dash radius. You can just say 0 pixel from the bottom, 0 pixel just from the top, something like this. 100%, then 100% from the fourth side. You can just give apply. Now we can just refresh. So this is just a different we have just used 0 pixel from here and 0 pixel from here, then just 2 times 100%. So you can just use like this also. For example, 100% I want from here. Let's save and see the preview. So this is just one more shape you can see. So you can just apply like this also. You can just set this to 0 pixel, 0px, save and refresh. So this just another shape. So this just all about border radius that we are just applying from here. Border radius just 0 pixel, 100%, 0 pixel, just like this. So one more way we can just use here. So you can just apply in pixel. As I told here, you can just say 10 pixel, and you can just say 20px, then you can say just 200px, then you can just say 0px. Just like this, you can just count and apply. So this will be just another shape. So it is up on you, as you can just practice. If you practice more, then you will just learn more and more. So inside this class we have discussed about the border radius. So what will border radius do? I'm just going to write this inside comment. Border radius will add round to your element, just like this. So what is your task? You can just apply a div just like this here. You can just give a width and height, a background, then just you can apply a simple border for this and border radius. Let's just apply a simple border. You can say 2 pixels, solid green. You can just do all this just like this. You can just you can create a shape like this by using different ways of border radius that we have used inside this tutorial. And in next class we will come back, we will discuss about the box model. So till next class, try to watch this video and all other videos that we have recorded till here. So I wish you just best of luck, have a nice time, and see you.